A hanging basket star, hummingbird magnet, and shade-tolerant bloomer? Yes, please. Fuchsias are a favorite for hummingbirds, who are attracted to the colors and long, bell-shaped flowers that hang and droop beautifully from hanging baskets, containers, and planters. The blossoms are also beloved by other pollinators including bees, butterflies, and moths. This beauty isn't high maintenance, but you do need to know its growing requirements. Learn how to grow and care for fuchsia plants, and keep those blooms coming. Caring for fuchsia. Fuchsia plants are relatively easy to grow and care for if you can provide the proper environmental conditions. Light. Fuchsias are considered part shade plants, which is an excellent opportunity for gardeners. However, they do need at least 4 hours of light to bloom, either dappled sunlight all day or direct morning sun. They prefer summer temperatures below 85 degrees Fahrenheit and cool nights. So those in southern locations should place their fuchsias in a spot with afternoon shade or even all-day protection. Fuchsia loves a shady spot in the garden or in a hanging basket or pot. Varieties with large hanging flowers work exceptionally well in hanging baskets, so the flowers are easily seen. Water. The plant requires consistently moist soil and supplemental watering in dry conditions. Fuchsia needs consistently moist soil. Do not allow the soil to dry out, and also don't allow the roots to sit in wet soil conditions. If you don't get much rainfall or are experiencing drought conditions, do some supplemental watering. Soil. Ideal soil for these plants is nutrient-rich, moist, and well-drained, with a pH below 6.0. The soil should be nutrient-rich and well-drained. These plants prefer acidic soil with a pH of less than 6.0. Fertilizer. Fuchsia plants benefit from using balanced flower garden fertilizer during the growing season. In addition to nutrient-rich soil, fuchsia plants will appreciate extra fertilizer to support growth and flowering. Apply a balanced flower garden fertilizer during the growing season. Carefully follow the directions on the package of the product you are using. Pruning. Pruning will help your plants develop an attractive form and promote flowering. Fuchsia blooms on new wood, so if you want to see the most flowers, you'll want to do annual pruning. Using sharp pruners, prune plants in late winter or early spring before they develop fresh spring growth. I would be very happy if you liked the video and subscribe to my channel.